In today's digital economy, skill is your most valuable asset. At BOLO Institute of Technology, we give you the tools, training, and guidance to unlock global tech opportunities. BOLOite is more than an online school. It's your career launchpad. We deliver hands-on training in SQL, databases, and cloud computing, combining live sessions, guided labs, and real projects so you graduate with job-ready skills. Our 12 to 18-week program starts with cloud fundamentals and relational databases, then moves into SQL mastery, data management, and business intelligence tools like Tableau. You'll work on real-world projects that prepare you for your next role. What makes BOLOite different is our mentorship and career support. From enrollment to graduation, you'll receive one-on-one guidance, resume coaching, and employer connections to help you land your ideal tech role. Our flexible online format means you can learn from anywhere, even with no prior tech experience. All you need is commitment. We'll take care of the rest. Tech is growing fast and the opportunities are endless. Learn practically, grow professionally, and work globally. Visit boloinstitute.tech and start your journey today.